Good morning. Good morning. Today, on this morning, it's just slightly different. It's a Discover 4. It's the first one we've done with a outside kitchen. So I thought, let me show you this one. It is going to go to the Caravan show in Gallagher Estate, end of February. I would put some details down below, exactly on the show and when the show is. So let's go have a quick look. So yeah, straightforward Discover 4. It's got some extras on. First off, there's the aircon on the roof. Then something you probably would notice as well is this one has got also brand new bathroom. We'll show you inside. It is a single cubicle bathroom with no joints, no seams whatsoever. It's difficult to get on video, but I will give it my best. It's on a 3-liter Iveco and then a 50 horsepower. The one with the new LED lights on. Very nice unit. It's also got the window in window as an option extra. Always a hit. Always nice. It's a white color. It's the standard back. Version 4, Discover 4 version 4. Here is the kitchen. So I will try and do that for you. Open it up, show you around. I think let's first go inside. Have a quick look inside. There you can see the window in window. With the beautiful seating, always nice. Let's open the step. Let's switch some lights on here. There we go. So yeah, front seating with the window in window. There's the air conditioning. Some mood lights. Through to the cab, nice big walkthrough. It's also a Iveco with an electric handbrake, so no more hand pull up. There's the kitchen, straightforward kitchen, as we all know. Fixed raised bed, so packing space from outside, all the way from this side, all the way to that side. Underneath the bed is packing space. Blinds, and then the large fridge freezer. So it's a fridge on the top, microwave in the middle, and the freezer at the bottom. Oh, lights go off. Right, come see it at the show. Oh yeah, bathroom. It's going to be a bit difficult, but I'll try. So this bathroom has got no joints, so no seals. It's a single cubicle, molded cubicle that has been put into place. New development. Ceramic bowl, and then the shower where the mixer is separate. And then there's the window. So that's also nice and different. Alright, I think let's go do the outside kitchen. So this is the outside kitchen. It It's on the inside here. So just put the pole in and you open it up, put the pole down, and you have a nice working surface with a sink, tap, hot water, cold water, and a 2-burner Thetford LPG stove. So it's nice open. We've added a plug point on that side as well, so you got some 220 volts. Of course, you can imagine there is some sacrifice on the inside with the kitchen to take up this space. But yeah, it's simple, but it's functional and it's outside. And then you got the pole. The pole actually goes inside. Right, so yeah, like I said, it's going to go to show. It will be for sale. We aim to sell it on the show, the Caravan show in Gallagher Estate. We're not going to say no if it gets sold a bit earlier. But yeah, come have a look. We'll put some posts out. We're putting a flyer out on it as well. If you're interested, give us a call, give us an email. Again, I'll put some details down below. Thank you.